It's been 2 whole days, it's starting to make me nervous. I wonder who you laying with and do they know you worth it? You made me feel away. All my wasted time and I'm still here today. Maybe I'm nervous to be without you. And I told you you can hit my line whenever, girl, it's worth the time it takes. So when it rains, when it rains, when it rains, it pours, I need the company. You acting like it's for me.
She said we done, yeah. I'm not too done, yeah. She said we done, yeah. I said we love, yeah. She knew this was it. I remember when you told me that you would never leave me, that you would never If I told you that you wouldn't believe me, but I know. But 30 times has to be enough for me to let you know. And I made a ton of phone calls on phone calls to let you know. Phone calls let you know. You told me that you love me, but that whole time you just lied. And every time I told you I was alive, that's when I died. And I hate to be the carrier of bad news, but I don't love you. I don't love you. I don't love you. They do not love you. No, no. 30 times, said it 30 times. You didn't wanna listen to me, you wanna be blind. I just wanna tell you what I'm feeling all the time. Yeah, you picking up the phone call, but you hit decline. And it's not in your convenience. Tired of the feeling, I'm done with grieving, you already know. Wanna fix it up, saying that you're sorry, but it's not enough. I need more from you. I don't wanna tell you what to do. Do what you really want to. You do what you got